Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to add fly through transition in Microsoft PowerPoint. Let's get started. At first, you have to go transition menu. Then you can see here are many transition effects. Click this transition effect drop down menu and find your fly through transition. You can see here are fly through transition. Click it, and we can also add sound effect on this fly through transition. Click sound effect drop down menu and find any sound. I choose suction. We can also increase or decrease time duration on fly through transition. Now we can increase this increase this duration, and we can also apply to all my PowerPoint presentation on this fly through transition. Click apply to all. Now we can check how it works. Click start from beginning icon. Now you can see we add fly through transition in PowerPoint very easily. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.